Hi, I'm Aquaman Ando. Welcome to Ando and Annie's Philippines Adventures. This first vlog is going to be of some drone footage of Boracay and some fun facts about the Philippines. People often ask me, why do you want to do a vlog on the Philippines? Here goes. As I speak to many people from Australia and all around the world, they know very little about the Philippines other than Manila is the capital and it's made up of many islands. Most Australians say they'd like to go to the Philippines but continue to go to Bali, Phuket and Europe in general. The Philippines is made up of three main regions: Luzon, the main region to the north where Manila is located, Visayas, the middle region where there's a lot of islands, and Mindanao to the south. The Philippines is made up of roughly 7,640 islands, depending on high or low tide, with more than 5,000 islands remaining unnamed. There are over 170 dialects in the Philippines, with my friend Annie speaking the main ones: Tagalog, Ilonggo, Bisaya and English. As we get more content, you will see more of Annie. I can assure you she looks a lot better than I do in a bikini. The official language is Filipino, based on Tagalog. A large percentage of the population speak English, albeit with an American accent. The Philippines is the only Asian nation that is predominantly Christian, with 86% identifying as Roman Catholic. Easter and Holy Week here are huge, quite often with people going home to spend time in the province with their families. Snippet. The tarsier is one of the smallest primates in the world and can only be found in the Philippines, usually in Bohol. It has enormous eyes relative to its body size, giving a good night vision. Most Filipinos speak English. Philippines rates as the 5th largest English-speaking country globally. Christmas goes on for months in the Philippines, as they love their Easter holidays and Christmas holidays. The Philippines has the best singers in the world. They grow up on karaoke. The Philippines has earned the title as the tech capital of the world, with social media and texting being the primary means of communication. Philippines' main delicacies are adobo, chicken, pork and squid, sisig, sinigang, lechon, bibingka, mandu, pato bombang and calderette. We'll show you these later when Annie's there eating them and she can pronounce them properly. The other one that